Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic steering wheel. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait several minutes to disable the airbag system. Remove trim pieces and unplug connectors carefully, then unbolt the airbag and steering wheel center. Use a steering wheel puller if the wheel is stuck. Align the new wheel with the alignment mark, torque bolts to spec, and reconnect the battery. Gather tools before you start: torque wrench, steering wheel puller, trim tools, socket set, and multimeter. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake for safety. Keep a container for screws and small parts so nothing gets lost. Verify you have the correct replacement wheel for your Honda Civic model and check for electrical connector compatibility. Working methodically helps avoid errors and keeps your project on. Begin by removing the airbag module using the proper access points and store it safely away from heat or static. Mark the steering shaft and wheel orientation so the new wheel preserves alignment. Unbolt the center nut and use a puller if needed, then fit the replacement wheel and torque bolts to specification. Reconnect the clock spring and verify horn, controls, and airbag light function before finishing with a final test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.